Hello everyone, it's Dr. Mohsen Raza. Welcome to my YouTube channel regarding medical updates. As all of you know about the coronavirus, my today topic is also related to the COVID-19 virus, the new variant that is a very hot topic nowadays in our societies and a new challenge for all medical doctors in the world. So Omicron, that is a variant of coronavirus that has started with the new mutations, with the new signs and symptoms and new treatments and new challenges for the medical staff and for our society. There is no exact information available right now about the Omicron. But according to my research, I have studied about this virus. I am going to explain you very briefly about Omicron. First of all, I will start from the meaning of Omicron. The word Omicron comes from a Greek letter, a 15th alphabet of the Greek terminology. That is O. O letter is a big O, not a small O, which means spreading the information or sending the message very loudly and clearly. That is Omicron. So what is the reason behind naming this virus or new variant of COVID-19 is unknown actually. So I will start from the signs and symptoms, from the spreading, from the vaccination, very briefly about the Omicron. So first of all, the spread. How it spreads. Is it more spreadful or more injurious or more dangerous as compared to COVID-19 or Delta form or not? Let's start from the spreading. The Omicron variant likely spread more easily as compared to the other types or other variants of COVID-19 virus. Omicron spreads more easily as compared to the Delta variant that was before that Omicron. We call it from the origin it had origin in India. The Omicron spread more rapidly as compared to the Delta variant. And this information that I am going to share with you is based upon the research done by the CDC. CDC actually is the Center of Disease Control and Prevention in the USA, which has done research about the Omicron new variant. According to them, it spread more rapidly as compared to the Delta virus, and also Omicron infection can spread the virus to the others even if you are vaccinated and don't have any symptoms. This is a very important point. If you are vaccinated or if you don't have any symptoms, you can spread this virus to the other people surrounding you. This was about the spreading of this virus. Now illness, just in one sentence, signs and symptoms of this virus are much more severe and much more hurting as compared to the other variants of the COVID-19. That's it. Signs and symptoms are not still confirmed what it be like, but mostly are same like the previous one, coryza, signs and symptoms like fever, coughing, body pain, etc. and etc. Now, the most important thing I want to share with all of you is about the importance of the vaccine for the coronavirus. Now, current vaccines are expected to protect against severe illness, hospitalization, and even death due to the coronavirus. However, the breakthrough infections in people who are fully vaccinated are likely to occur. So, if even you are vaccinated, you can have infection with this new variant. Okay, with other variants like Delta, vaccines are remained effective at preventing the severe illness, hospitalization, and death. The recent emergence of the Omicron further emphasizes the importance of the vaccinations and boosters. Now, treatment. Scientists are still working to determine how well existing treatment for the COVID-19 work. Okay, based on the changed genetic makeup of the virus, treatment may also be changed. But up till now, vaccine is the only way to protect yourself from the new variants. About the vaccines, if you are 5 years and above, you should go for the vaccination. About the booster dose of the vaccine, if you are 18 years and above, you should go for the booster dose of the vaccine. Whatever you had injected, whatever your vaccine was, you should go for the booster dose after 2 months at least of the previous dose of the vaccine. The booster dose has showed very good results for those people who had infection, or even they did not have infection but they had booster dose, even if they had any disease or previous disease other than the coronavirus, they were not suffering from the coronavirus. Okay, so this is the treatment and vaccine importance. COVID-19 vaccines are highly effective at preventing severe illness, even hospitalization and death. So go for the vaccination, protect yourself, and protect your society as well. The importance of the mask, CDC continues. CDC, as I told you before, is a research committee in the USA. CDC continues to recommend wearing a mask in the public places, in the crowded places, or in your workplaces to protect yourself and the others. So the next step is the testing. Test can tell you about if you are infected with COVID-19 virus or not. Up till now, the most important and most commonly used test was PCR. PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction, and I have give you description about this test in my previous videos. You can watch it on my YouTube channel. This test can tell you about if you are infected with COVID-19 or not, but it's not enough to diagnose the infection of the Omicron virus. Scientists are still working on the other criteria and other diagnostic tests to diagnose this type of virus. But if you had any signs and symptoms just like the previous coronavirus, you should consult to the doctors and the nearest medical center for the next plan and for the treatment. This was the overall description. If I summarize this this video about the Omicron virus, I will say in one sentence, it's much more deadly and much more dangerous as compared to all other variant of the coronavirus. So protect yourself, wear the mask, and do not go to the crowded place, just like the previous protocol that were being used by us at the start of this pandemic. If you had any other question, please ask me in the comments, and I will make another video as soon as possible about the Omicron with the new researches and new updates made by the scientists in different centers of the world. And so another thing I want to know is your opinion, that what do you want to make me an video about different diseases. If you want to know any type of about any type of disease or whatever is your question, please ask in the comments, and I will make the new video about that topic. Thank you so much.